what are the steps to writing a kid's picture book? I have 6 steps in my process that I'm going to share with you today in this quick video. There's 6 steps: write, illustrate, design, format, upload, and market. Each one of these are really critical steps in accomplishing your kid's picture book, but within each step is like a system of its own. And that system is really built on personal preference and the way that your lifestyle really wants to approach the writing of your kid's picture book. But generally, write, illustrate, design, format, upload, which also to me means publish, and market, are the 6 steps that I find everyone needs to go through in order to get a kid's picture book from the imagination out into the world selling. Now, each one of these can be broken down, and I've broken them down right here on the channel step by step in videos that cover it all, including a free class, Writing Picture Books. Check out that playlist. If you ever want to just kind of like mark for yourself or gauge where you are in the process, you can look at this acronym, W.I.D.F.U.M. You can ask yourself, am I in the writing phase? Is my writing done? And then when you move into your illustrating phase, you can really just know like, this is what I'm focused on now. And then moving into design, formatting. Formatting is something that a lot of people who are just starting out don't even realize that this is a crucial step that you need to pay attention to, where you actually get your book formatted digitally to be an actual digital product if you're looking to publish on a platform such as KDP. And then the uploading publishing process, there's a little bit to know there, keywords and how you title and how you just put it into the platform. And then of course, marketing is a whole world of its own. If you are really keen to start developing your writing skills for children, I have some resources that could really give you the boost you need. This picture book template story builder is a downloadable printable that you fill in the blanks for your story. I take you through everything from character development, world building, scene setting, problem and conflict and resolve, brainstorming, your first messy draft, as well as providing you some storyboarding help to help pace your story. This is such a valuable resource. I use it to start off almost every book and story that I write. I use it as a quick guide to just brainstorm all my thoughts out onto paper. And if you're not that interested in writing a classic narrative picture book, then the 3-day concept planning challenge might be for you. If you have a concept that you really want to get out for children into picture book, then you may like to go from idea to a full 32-page concept book plan in 3 days. I keep it really simple and fresh. I give you all kinds of context and ways that you can build your concepts. And not only that, but I give you examples for how they would flow through 32 pages. So these are 2 resources in my links below that could really give you a boost. So check it out down there in the description box. Now, what I find really interesting about my acronym W.I.D.F.U.M and these 6 steps in the process is that they're all intertwined. They lace together like weaving, because when you're writing a kid's picture book, you actually have to be thinking in picture. It's a kid's picture book, which essentially means that the writer does a certain amount of illustrating just in their mind. Now, even if you're not going to be the illustrator of your book, you are still giving the illustrator the prompts to create. And then while you're thinking of the illustration, you're also thinking about the design process and where each illustration could possibly land on the pages with different words that you're writing. And while you're designing the book, you're also thinking about the formatting process. Like, okay, I'm designing, what program am I designing in? Because I'm going to need to format it and get it ready for digital publication. And that, of course, leads us to the whole step of publishing and of marketing. I hope that this overview has given you the acronym that can help you to gauge where you are in the process and keep track of things as you go along creating your kid's picture book. In fact, I keep project books of sticky notes to help me along my way, and I keep W.I.D.F.U.M right here for every single book that I create and write and publish. I have my W.I.D.F.U.M process where I gauge where I am in each book, because I actually multitask and write a few books at a time, and they're always in a different stage of the process. Check out my links below. There's going to be resources and different things that you can check out on my playlist to help you along in your journey.